Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to keep your Microsoft Teams status as always active. So in order to do this, first of all, log into Teams using your user credential. After you do this, you'll have to simply click on your profile icon at the top right, choose busy and choose available. Now, after you choose available, it will show your status as active. But in order to make sure it stays always active, you'll have to simply set it to custom and choose today or longer duration. Just right here. So if you get the option, do it. If not, there are other fixes. So step 2 is disable idle detection. So Teams marks you always when your system goes idle. Fix this. Simply click on your Windows icon at the bottom right and search for settings. Hit enter. Now choose system. Here choose power and battery. Now click on screen sleep and hibernate timeouts and here choose turn my screen off after never. Now when you choose never, your screen will never sleep and you can move your mouse occasionally or keep your device active. This keeps your machine awake so Teams stays active. Now after you do this, you can keep this tab active in background. The web version continues sending active signals even when idle. Now, if you need continuous activity, tools like Move Mouse, Mouse Jiggler, or similar utilities stimulate tiny mouse movements. These prevent your PC from going idle without interrupting work. Use this if your organization permits it. Now, you can click on your profile picture, set the status back to available, but this will be the manual way. So by following these steps, your Microsoft Teams status will stay green and active throughout the day. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.